take you through, now let me take you through one of my projects which I designed and completed back in 2013, I think. We started this project around 2006, and this is Himalayan Bank Corporate Building. This is how I started working on that project. This is my first concept drawing, then which eventually went to become like this, and it became this way. We started adding few of these elements into the system, and slowly the building evolved and eventually got into a final form, which is quite outstanding, I should say, by my standard. This is what we are still in the conceptual stage only, but the building, when it was completed, it looked like this photo. And if you start noticing the way the building evolved from this one to this one to this one to this one and this one and this one and finally onto this one, so then you understand the power of using the tools of computer to create a safe which is as good as what it happens at the end of the day. So this is quite interesting, and we came about doing some of the things while we were working on the cladding material concept. So this cladding material concept, earlier we were thinking of using this red sandstone, but you would not be able to see this, the way you really put the stones onto the wall. But there was only concept. We eventually got rid of those circular elements from the facade, but rest of the things are as it is. So when this conceptual element in architecture eventually got into this form, this photograph is still during the construction. And now, if I tell you again, the power of getting things on your mind in 3D, starting from this to this and to this and to this and to this to this and finally to this. So this is how an architect should think. Building happens in 3 dimensions. The plans and other things are only to look after the functional elements of architecture. So let me get into that part also, which is the interior of this building. We have a 3-floor atrium in Himalayan Bank. When you're around in Kathmandu, come and visit this bank. This is one of the very good building in terms of corporate design, a corporate benchmark in Kathmandu. Bye bye. Love you all. As usual, the power of sketching for an architect student.